ladies and gentlemen, and here we go to the tiny room na lumabas sa ating spin the wheel, and let's go now. So here we go to the chapter 2, money trace. Having driven across a city that is absolutely empty, you arrive at a local bank. Maybe the contents of a safe deposit box would shed some light on what's going on. So let's go, guys. This is so exciting. So, mag-iisa lang yung key natin. And, oh, okay. Okay. First thing. So, what is this? And there's an item in here. Okay. Ano to? Okay, close. Oh, there's a crowbar. Kailangan natin ng tatlong ganon. I guess this hides something. Oh, sheesh. So, let's figure this out kasi. It's so cute. Okay. Wow. Something has opened. What's it? To. So, block. Okay. Punta tayo sa baba. And, this is lock, close. Hoy. Hala. Ito pala. So, punta tayo sa first floor. Ay, sa second floor pala, sorry. And meron dong ganong bahay. So, lagyan natin to dito. And ito, dine. What? Dito? Okay. Sorry. Hindi ko kasi maano siya. What the hell is that? Number 3. A plane. Various financial documents. Okay. That's odd. Kailangan natin kailangan natin ng maraming ganito. So, hanap tayo dun sa baba kasi dun lang meron mga drawers na mabubuksan. So, let's open this. Oh, that's what. Let's go. Found it. What the hell is that? Okay. Wala na. So, punta na tayo dun sa conference room. And, I guess, bagay, kunin naman natin itong key. What is this? CR. Okay, here we go. And, sorry, nakuha. This one, and for this one, and this one, we have a problem. So, kompleto na. Kulang lang tayo ng isang red. You know, always open this. There might be something for someone. Okay. Ano po ba kayong red? Saan kaya natin makikita yung red? Tingnan natin yung CR. Wala nawala talaga yun dyan. Oh my god, really now? So dahil mahilig tayo humawak ng mga things, ibig sabihin na natin this one. Oh, may nabukas. Ano ba to? Something is missing. Okay. Oo nga, something is missing. So, I guess this is the last book. And what? So, what is this? This is? Ay, hindi pala yun para doon. Pindutin natin to. Okay. Screwdriver. Mali yung inilagay niya. That's why parang sinira niya yun. How about this? Okay. Siguro yan ay maybe may money. Yung nakalagay dun sa na 3 sorry, I need the key there. So talagang walang interesting, no? I guess this one, ladder for what? Oh, okay. This thing hides something. Nakita ko dong kulay red. So, ayun guys. So, arrange lang natin to. There go. So, hindi ko alam kung para saan to. I think para yan dito. This will open. So, I guess may tubig na. Oh yeah, may tubig na. So, what is this? You know, paper. Baka mapindot. What is this? Para dito. Oh, that's why we have a ladder. Okay. Ginawang crowbar. What do you mean by 135? Do you mean? What? Sabi na nila, various files. 135. So, ito ay floor 2. Right? Ano to? Okay, enter the key access. Financial report. Oh! Sorry naman, gusto ko lang pindutin ng pindutin, baka meron. Financial report. Financial document. Oh, don't you dare. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess it's only 5 and 1. Testing natin. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. open. Good! Tapos, bakit tatlong isang 5 lang siguro. Tapos, what do you mean? I'm struggling. So, let's figure this out. Watch nyo tong montage na to. So, ang alam ko dito is 9, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 8 and 5, 6, 7. Pero para saan siya?
1,000 of hot dogs later.
5 1, 3, 3, 3. Or baka 3, 3, 1, 5. 3, 3, 3. Sorry, 3, 3, 1, 5. Then what? Kasi, ito yung reason. 3 yung nakalagay dito. And, dito lang ako mahihirapan. Manghuhula ako dito. Hanggang sa makayanan natin with off the camera. So, thank you guys for watching. And see you in the next part of the video. And see you guys soon. Ulit. Sa next spin the wheel natin. Thank you guys.